Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. These are the students of Mahabodhi Residential Schools are having annual sports in the Tuichawng field located at the downstairs of the village. Later on more students will be coming. Right now only a few students have arrived. Still the teaching and non-teaching staffs also to be arrived in a short while. Now practicing is going on. Some students have arrived. I think the red house have arrived. Later on I will display so many items. I'm seeing from here the yellow house. That side we can see the yellow house have also arrived this morning in the field to play various games. First of all, the inaugural programs will start, and after ending the inaugural program, the games, various items of games will be played from today. I think the sports will continue up to 3 to 4 days. I think more houses yet to come.